Making steel is one of the most carbon-intensive industrial processes. It's responsible for approximately 8% of global CO2 emissions, the vast majority of which result from using coal to make iron. In fact, nearly 2 tonnes of carbon dioxide are produced for every tonne of iron made in a blast furnace, where coal is used both for heat and to remove oxygen from the iron ore. An alternative is needed to continue society's economic development. Electric heating offers a much cleaner and more efficient way to power the process, and hydrogen can be used efficiently to remove oxygen from the iron ore, with water being the only byproduct. Introducing Calix's zero-emission steel technology. Known as ZESTY, it combines electric heating with hydrogen reduction to make green iron and steel. With ZESTY, specialised steel tubes are heated externally using renewable electricity. Fine iron ore particles float down the tubes and are quickly heated by energy radiated from the tube walls. Hydrogen is introduced through the bottom of the tube and flows upwards. As hydrogen meets the heated iron ore particles, it removes oxygen to produce green iron. The hydrogen is simply converted to water and exits the tube as steam. Thanks to Calix's unique indirect heating method, hydrogen is not combusted or used as a fuel, and unused hydrogen is easily recycled. ZESTY aims to deliver the lowest cost decarbonisation solution for green iron and steel through efficient and flexible electric heating, the most efficient use possible of hydrogen, and the elimination of additional processing steps. ZESTY is compatible with a range of ore types, including lower-grade ores from the Australian Pilbara. It can be integrated directly at the iron ore source for the export of green iron, or integrated by a steelmaker to feed a blast furnace, basic oxygen furnace, or electric arc furnace. This flexibility provides multiple decarbonisation pathways that work with existing iron ore supplies and steelmaking processes. ZESTY is proven at pilot scale. Trials with a range of industry partners have successfully produced green iron and confirmed ZESTY's potential to offer a lowest cost solution. A demonstration plant is next. Calix is working with urgency to help solve some of humanity's greatest challenges: green iron and steel, value-added and future-proof exports. But time is ticking.